Hello, in this video I am going to be talking to you about Dr. Fred Gallo's midline clearing technique. I'm going to tell you what it can be used for, and I'll be introducing you to the different points that are used in the technique. And what the technique is, very simply, is a way of using two of your channels, your energy channels in your body, very simply, to clear unwanted feelings and unwanted subconscious thinking and beliefs. You don't have to go into a lot of verbalizing about what's going on for you, which is one of the reasons I really like this technique, because it can be very immediate. You just focus on what's going on in your body or what you feel about a particular issue, and then you get going. You don't have to think about what to say or find the right words or anything like that. You just get going. Okay. So what it can be used for is getting rid of unwanted feelings that may be causing you distress or getting in the way of your clarity of thinking. It can be used for physical issues as well, because if there is an emotional contribution to your physical issue, then these techniques within energy psychology can help bring you some relief. It can be used for states of mind. It can be used to affirm positive states of mind, just about anything. It may work for you, it may not. Give it a go and explore for yourself. Okay? Now, with that done, I would like to get on to the third bit, which is explaining the points. Once you've watched this video thoroughly, especially this last part, you can just get on to the next video, which is the link below, and you can just get right into doing the technique. Okay, you ready? Okay, here are the points. I'm going to talk through them quickly and then do them slowly. So the first is the top of the neck, bottom of the head, the occiput, top of head, middle of forehead, under nose. You can call this the underlip or chin point, and then your thymus, on top of your thymus right here in the upper third of your chest. So I'm going to go through those again slowly. There's the top of your neck, the bottom of your head, that little groove in there. It's called the occiput. The next is the top of your head. So it's just where your crown begins to slope down, there. The next is the middle of your forehead, right there. The next is on your philtrum, under your nose, between the bottom of your nose and the top of your lip. And the next is that crease, easier to find if you don't have a beard, is that crease between your lower lip and your chin, right there. The next is on the upper third of your sternum. You have your collarbone points, the inner parts of your collarbone there. It's below that, a couple of inches below that in the center. And those are all the points you need to know. Watch that again until you're comfortable with it, and then move on to the next video. When you're doing this method by Fred Gallo, there are a couple of things to let you know about as well before we move into the demo video. One is that it's called subjective units of distress, or SUDs. So it's between 0 and 10. 0 being the absolute minimum, not at all, not an issue. 10 being the worst it could possibly be. So before you start it, get your rating. Another point is that when you go through this step by step, you can stop after any one of the segments of the method once you get your SUDS ratings to 0. If you go through a whole segment of it and you don't have any improvement whatsoever, stop and redo the reversal correction that I'll be going through with you, or just don't do the technique and try something else.